Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we are going to be learning how to enable Face ID in YNAB application on your iPhone. Enabling Face ID or biometrics in YNAB is a great way to keep your personal budget data safe and secure using your iPhone's Face ID feature. First of all, launch open the YNAB application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top left corner of the screen, which will open up this expanded menu. From the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. Inside Settings, go ahead and toggle on the button right next to Face ID and tap on Enable Face ID in the pop-up. Now click the Allow button and then this will scan your Face ID. You have now turned on the Face ID option on YNAB. Next time you open up the app, you'll be required to log in using your Face ID. It will scan your Face ID for accessing YNAB, and that's how it is easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.